व्यूवर, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है मल्टीमीडिया कंपोनेंट्स। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। उससे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। मल्टीमीडिया इज जनरली ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट कंटेंट्स लाइक text, computer, graphic, animation, audio and video. These content are called multimedia component. Each component has its own importance or worth, which can be easily seen in different multimedia applications. These components in describe below. Text. Text is the most important essential component of the every multimedia application. Text can be mainly used for title and headline, label and caption, menu, list of option, set of choices. Navigation content. Text is the use of a set of sign or symbol. Text are mainly generated directly by computer device. Text in multimedia application can easily express and convey this scientific information. It can work as in reinforcement for that information which is contained in various other multimedia types. Graphics. Graphics is another significant part of any multimedia application. It can be mainly used to reinforce text, supplement text, create impact. In graphic, there are two main levels of abstraction such as picture and image. The pictures can be easily organized, organized the world which is external to the computer, while paintings and photographs are the well-known example of the picture. On the other hand, the images are basically the computer's realistic various version adaptation of picture. It depends on two main factors. First one is the quality of system computer, and secondly the graphic designer skills to use software. The computer graphic can be of two forms such as bitmap raster and vector based. Bitmap raster is basically an image file format which is used to save, store digital images. Many other image file format like PNG, portable network graphics, GIF, graphic interchange format, or TIF, tagged image file format, and JPEG, giant photographic expert graphic, can also store bitmap image bit, but these are not normally referred as bitmaps. A vector-based computer graphic is based on uh, stitching, stitching or drawing or drawing different element and object like circle, lines, and rectangles to create an appropriate image. This is all based on mathematical equation which are used to represented image mainly in computer graphics. Properties of graphic. Graphics stands mainly include OpenGL, Open Graphic Library. Graphics are usually selectable, editable, or reversible. Graphics are usually generated by graphic editor program. Graphics are the two dimensional figures or illustration which can be produced manually by drawing or painting. Graphic formation is constructed by composition or primitive objects such as lines, polygons, circles, curves and इरेक्शन। आज तक इतने नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं।